Hello there, this is Amelia from thesisvideotutorials.com with another video in the WordPress Beginner Basics series. Sorry, I didn't know where I was for a moment. Today I'm going to go through how to edit the comments or to add a quick response, but really I'm just showing you how to use the text editor that WordPress provides for you to be able to respond or edit a comment. So I'm going to go through the quick edit, which will edit this particular comment. The idea is just to show you how the text editor works, okay? So if we just click on the quick edit, this will be replaced with a box with where we can start editing the text. Now I'm going to go through this in two videos because I tried to do this in one, but it just became overwhelming and way too long because I think that it warrants a little bit of time, especially for beginners, on how to edit this using these buttons, because it can look very, very confusing, especially for someone who doesn't know computer code and you don't really want to try muck these things up. It's good to be able to understand it before before you keep moving on, or so you don't make too many errors. So this is these are buttons here which will add computer code to emphasize or style bits of text. So I'll go through the first few and then we'll do it the rest in the next video. So all you would do with styling this and adding in the buttons and styling the text, highlight the text that you want to add or style, sorry. So I'm just going to do the OMG, and this button here makes it bold. So say if you're using a Word doc, it would make the word appear stronger in terms of it would make the color a bit more darker and larger, so you would notice it a bit more. So if we now go and click on that, it's going to add some computer code, okay? So we click on that and it's added these two bits of text here. So we've got the word strong that appears in between some greater than and less than characters. The way that computer code works, especially HTML, I won't go through too much of it, is that we use tags and we place what we're doing within those tags, and tags will have a start and a finish, much like a sentence. You start the finish and you start the sentence and you finish the sentence, say like with a full stop. So we start the tag with the word strong, which is what we use to bold text, and we place that tag within this greater than, less than characters. We then have the text that we are manipulating, as you would say, and then we close off the bold tag, and we do that by again placing it in between the greater than, less than characters with the word strong, but we add a /, and that is just closing off the tag. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. If we now update the comment, you'll see now that it's appearing more emphasized than the rest of the text. Okay, so let's go back. Now to remove anything, just make sure you remove all the characters and anything in between it. Okay, so that is now removing the bold emphasis on that. The next one we have is the italics. So we can now make something, place it in an italic font. So again, we'll highlight the OMG and we'll press the I, and you'll see the tags appear again, and it'll be something completely different, which is the EM, which stands for emphasize. Okay, so if we now update that comment, see now it's appearing in italics. So let's go back into the quick edit, and we're now going to just remove that. We then have the link. Now this allows us to add a link into it, so to place like a link to another site or to to whatever URL you want to link it to. So highlight the text, press on link, and I'll bring up a pop-up box very similar to when you add a link into your post or page when you're in the post or page editor. So you can add the link here, you can add the title, which is the alternate text, and you can select to have it open in a new window. Now WordPress also allows you to link it to somewhere else on your site, and it brings up all your posts and pages. So I'm going to link it to Cup of Truth, so it'll automatically populate everything there. We'll leave the title the same, but we can actually change that, and we click Add Link. So you will now see a whole lot of gobbledygook. Okay, I'll walk you through it very, very quickly. So A stands for anchor So this is a, this is highlighting that it's a link. The href is the location of the link, so the URL of the link that you are linking it to. The title, which we just added into, we could edit that, but we haven't. And the target is blank, which means it's going to open in a new window. So it's just selecting a destination for that link. So it's in a new window. Here's the text itself, and then that closing tag that I talked about. So let's update the comment. And you can see now that there is a link there. So we can actually click on it, and it opens up the new window to the actual post that I linked it to. So let's go back in and remove everything. So everything between those greater than, less than characters, and make sure we remove that closing tag. Okay. The next one we have is a block quote. So this will make it appear as a quote. It's dependent on the theme that you are using, but with the 2011 theme, what it does is it adds it in on a new line, and it indents the text to make it look like it's a quote. So click on the B quote, and this will add the tags block quote around it. So if we now update, so there we go. It's just placing on a new line and it's indenting it. So let's go back into the quick edit and remove all of that. And I'll do one last one, and then we'll go into the next video. The next one is the insert, and it's used as a way of showing inserted text. So how this looks is also dependent on the theme, but usually we'll just show text with an underline. So let's highlight place, and we'll put insert. So it's saying insert with date, time, and the closing tag. So let's update the comment, and so you see that it's got the underline there. Alright, so in the next video I will go through the other buttons, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.